Sorkar Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka jingalang kunhun menteri jangka Sorkar jilla haka khandru trip kulalengkot arca punrio. Kala menjur banwanra ya ka kenduan ka Ïakhun ki Khynnah ki bala Phiel ya ka examen matric haki Snem ki bala letno. Bakindup la ban register Ladep kum ki private candidate na ka banta ban Ïakhun biang ya ka examen secondary school leaving certificate ani ka Sslc ka bahab hapo ka jing penyat jangka Meghalaya Board of School Education. Umitram ba ka jilla konrat kongkal sangma haka jing academic la pathai khubor ulai thu ba bun belai ki Khynnah ki bamshim la pass ya ka examen class 10 but bun belai ki bala pep no shiteng por hadian bakila poi haka jing puli haka kadan upper primary but haka secondary level na ki babun ki daw.
We have decided to introduce a provision for admission and registration of private candidates for the secondary school leaving certificate examination under the Meghalaya Board of School Education. As you are aware, there are a large number of students who in the past could not clear the metric exam, and there are a large number also who end up dropping out post the upper primary when they enter the secondary level because of different factors. So we have realized that this large number, even though they desire to come back and give the exam again, they are not able to give it because of different provisions that restrict them from giving that particular exam. What we have decided in the cabinet today is to streamline and to ensure that we make it easy for any candidate who wishes to give the SSLC exam to pass class 10, even though he or she may have failed in the previous years, or for whatever reason could not continue with the schooling post class 8. We want to give that option to them, and this I'm sure will encourage many such youngsters who, for whatever circumstance, were not able to clear the metric exam. They would be looking forward to be given an opportunity to do that. And this particular provision today and this particular decision will allow those children to give that particular exam and clear the metric exam.